How to use Google Disavow tool without destroying your rankings. One wrong click and you could tank your own rankings. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Google's Disavow tool the right way, without accidentally destroying the very rankings you're trying to protect. What the Disavow tool actually does. Google's Disavow tool tells Google to ignore specific backlinks, especially toxic or spammy links that you don't control. It's a powerful recovery tool for negative SEO, link spam attacks, or bad links you regret building years ago. Warning: this tool is dangerous. But listen carefully. If you disavow good links, you can permanently destroy your rankings. Google will stop counting those links, and your site can drop overnight. This tool is for surgical cleanup, not guessing, not experimenting. Step 1. Export all backlinks. Start by exporting your full backlink list from Google Search Console, Ahrefs, SEMrush, or Majestic. Combine them so you can analyze everything in one place. You can't fix what you can't see. Step 2. Identify the real toxic links. Look for links from spam domains, porn, casino, or pharma sites, foreign link farms, auto-generated blog comments. These are the links that can trigger algorithmic issues or manual penalties. Do not disavow healthy, relevant links just because they look unfamiliar. Step 3. Try removing them manually, required. Google expects you to try contacting webmasters first. Send removal requests and document your attempts, screenshots, emails, logs. This helps if you ever file a reconsideration request for a manual penalty. Step 4. Create your disavow file, the right format. Your disavow file is a simple text document. It uses Google's required syntax. Domain, spamdomain.com, for toxic domains. Or the exact bad URL, if it's only one page. No extra characters, no typos, no random notes. One wrong line can disavow your entire backlink profile, so this step must be precise. Step 5. Upload to Google Search Console. Some text goes here once your file is ready. Go to the Disavow tool in Search Console and upload it. That's it. Now Google will slowly reprocess your backlinks and stop counting the bad ones. Some text goes here. Common mistakes to avoid. Most SEO disasters happen because of these mistakes. Disavowing competitor links just because they look suspicious. Using wrong syntax and wiping out your whole profile. Being too aggressive and disavowing every link that looks unfamiliar. Some text goes here with the Disavow tool, less is more. Only remove what is truly toxic. Some text goes here. Timeline, be patient. Some text goes here, don't expect an overnight recovery. It usually takes 2 to 3 months for rankings to stabilize and improve after a disavow submission. Google needs time to recrawl everything. Some text goes here. If you're not 100% confident in your backlink analysis, don't gamble with your rankings. Get professional disavow file creation, link in the description. Protect your site, protect your traffic, and I'll see you in the next video.